Hello everyone, my name is Mariam Garav and this is my Module 6 Mastery assignment. The topics we will be covering today include how to construct slope fields and how to solve differential equations. So what are slope fields? Slope fields are visual representations of the slope at each point of a differential equation. The function the slope field represents is the original function. And when constructing slope fields, it's important to remember that constructing a chart with x, y, and dy dx values will be extremely helpful. So in this problem, we are asked to sketch the slope field of dy over dx equals xy squared divided by 4. My first step was to construct the chart that you can see on the right of the image. I plugged in x and y values, and then I found the dy dx value. So the dy dx value basically represents the slope of the line at each of those points. So the slope field that I generated on the left is basically an accumulation of the information that I gathered from my chart on the right. So when solving differential equations, dy dx, you are basically solving for the original equation, or for y. The three main steps to solving differential equations are to separate the variables, get dy and y on one side and dx and dx on the other, integrate both sides of the equation, and then solve for y. So in these types of problems, you are usually given an initial condition, which is a coordinate point, and you can use this coordinate point to solve for c. So in this problem, we are given that dy dx is equal to 2y squared times x squared. The first step into solving this differential equation is to separate the variables. So you're trying to get dy and y on one side and dx and x on the other. So after separating, we find that dy over y squared is equal to 2x squared dx. The next step is to integrate. After integrating both sides, we find that negative 1 over y is equal to 2x cubed over 3 plus c. So the next step would be to solve for y, and after doing some math, we find that y equals 1 over negative 2x cubed over 3 minus c. And for the sake of this problem, I gave myself an initial condition of negative 1/8, 2. So I'm going to plug my values for my initial condition into what I found that y equals. And after doing this and solving, I find that my c value is equal to 2. So now my final function is y equals 1 over negative 2x cubed over 3 minus 2. Thanks for watching my video.